Welcome back to my channel KK Tutorials. Today we will do some maths revision for 6th standard. Okay, we have already completed our portion, so we will do some revision. Okay, so these are some of the fill in the blanks which are most frequently asked in the exam. Okay, so number 1, the line segment which join the vertices of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral is called dash of the quadrilateral. Okay, you know, I'll draw a quadrilateral. Okay, suppose this is a quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C and D. Okay, now understood what I have done? The line segment which join the vertices of the opposite angles. Opposite angle means angle A and angle C. For angle A, angle C is opposite. For angle B, angle D is opposite. Okay. Angles of a quadrilateral is called diagonals. Diagonals of the quadrilateral. These are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals of this quadrilateral. Okay. Now, number 2. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means this is a triangle. Okay. A, B and C. The sum, this angle and this angle. All the three angles should be 180. Okay. Now, number 3. If the selling price is less than the cost price, then it is a loss. Okay. That means if the selling price is less and the cost price, then it is loss. In another way, if the selling price is more than the cost price, then it is profit. Okay. Now, number 4. 5% of 2,500 is 5% of 2,500. Okay. 5 multiplied by 25, it's 125. 5% of 2,500 is 125. Okay. Now, number 5. A quadrilateral has dash sides. I have shown you how many sides? It's 4 sides. Perpendicular lines intersect each other at dash angles. At 90 degree angles. See, I'll show you over here. When we are drawing a perpendicular, here it is 90 degree and here is also 90 degree. Okay. Now, number 7. 8 is equal to t plus 5. So, the value of t is suppose now here it is so 8 minus 5 is how much? It's 3. T is equal to 3. Now, number 8. 75 upon 100. That means how much it is? How much percent it is? 75%. Okay. Okay. Now solve the following equation. These are some of the equations we will solve. Number 1. 4x is equal to 52. Okay. So, dividing both the sides by 4. Now see over here. This 4x. So, we will divide with this 4 is equal to 52 upon 4. Okay. This 4 and this 4 will be cut. Now, x is equal to 4 ones are 4, 13s are is 52. So, x is equal to 13. Easy? Now, number 2. 19 is equal to m minus 4. 19, here it is minus 4, so here it will come plus 4 is equal to m minus 4, and again we have to take over here plus 4. Both the sides we are adding. Okay, now minus 4 and plus 4 will get cut. Okay, so 19 plus 4 is how much? First of all we write m is equal to 23. Okay, or you can write this way also. M is equal to 23. Okay, now number 3, p plus 4 is equal to minus 1. So you can write this way, p plus 4, we'll take a minus 4 is equal to minus 1, and this side also you should take minus 4. Now this 4 and this 4 will get cut, so p is equal to minus is what? Plus. So plus 5. Okay, now here sign will put of a bigger number. Okay, don't forget to put sign of a bigger number. Now we will solve sum number 4. P upon 4 is equal to 9. So P is equal to 9 multiplied by 4. So P is equal to 36. Okay. Okay. So now we'll solve sum number 2. If 15 chocolates cost rupees 300, how much does 4 chocolates cost? Okay. If 15 chocolates cost rupees 300, how much does 4 chocolates cost? See, 300 divided by 15. When we divide 300 by 50, we'll get the answer 20 rupees. Okay. 15 chocolates cost rupees 300. Sorry. 15 chocolate cost rupees 300. So 300 divided by 15 is 20 rupees. So one chocolate cost 20 rupees. Okay. So they have asked how much does 4 chocolates cost. You got the price of one chocolate, that is 20 rupees. So cost of 4 chocolates is 20 multiplied by 4, that is 80 rupees. Cost of 4 chocolates is 80. Okay. Now, number 3. Harabba owns some ship. After selling 34 of them in the market, he still has 176 ship. How many ship did Harappa have at first? What do you mean by this? Harappa, he has some ships. Okay. And from that ship, he sold 34 of them. But still he is having 176. And what they have asked, how many ships did Harappa have at first? So now he is having 176 with him. 176. Okay. He has now. He has 176. He sold how many? 34. Understood what I did? See, they have given he still has 176 and he sold how many? 34. That means 176 he is having at present plus he sold 34, together 210. So they have asked how many did Harappa have at first. That means he had 210 He had 210. He sold 34. Still he is having 176. Understood? Now, sum number 1. When finding the ratio of two quantities of the same kind, their measures must be in the same unit. It's true or false? I'll read once again. When finding the ratio of two quantities of the same kind, their measures must be in the same unit. That means, here see it is given 1 liter and 250 milliliter. So liter also we have to convert it into milliliters. Okay. So this sentence is true. Suppose if they are not, they should be expressed in the same unit before the ratio is taken. Okay. So we will solve some sums, you will understand it. Okay. So 1 liter and 250 milliliter. You know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So here we will write 1000. We have converted 1 liter, we have converted into milliliter. 1000 ml plus this, 250 ml. Now, this 0 will get cut with this. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So the answer will be 4 upon 1. Okay. Now, B, 125 centimeter and 1 meter. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 125 centimeter upon 100. See, we have converted meter into centimeter. Then only we can solve. Okay. Now, 25 fours is 100 and 25 fives is 125. So it's 5 upon 4. Understood? Now, here it is 40 rupees and 120 rupees. So we don't have to convert. It is easy. 40 rupees and here it is 120 rupees. This 0 will get cut with this. So you can write 4 upon 12. Okay. Or you can do more cancellation. 4 ones are, 4 threes are. The answer is 1 upon 3. Okay. So now we'll solve D. 15 minutes, 2 hours. Okay. Both the units are different. This is minutes and this is hours. So first we have to convert. You know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay. So, or you can write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So 2 hours will how much it will be? 120 minutes. Okay. Now both are converted into minutes. So we can write now 50 upon 120. We can do the cancellation. 5 threes is 15. 5 twos are 10. 5 fours are is 20. Okay. So again we can do cancellation. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 24. Okay. 1 upon 8 is the answer. Okay. Now sum number 3. 30 cricket players and 20 Kho-Kho players are training on a field. What is the ratio of cricket players to the total number of players? Okay. And the second question is, what is the ratio of cricket players to the Kho-Kho players? So first of all, we'll find out what is the ratio of the cricket players to the total number of players. We don't know the total number of players. Okay. So 30 cricket players. You all can write in this manner. Total number of players. Total number of players is equal to cricket players, number of cricket players plus number of Kho-Kho players. That is how much? 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Now we got total number of players. Okay. Now what they have asked, what is the ratio of the cricket players to the total number of players? Okay. So what is the number of cricket players? 30. Okay. And total number of players. Total number of players you have got 50. Okay. So this and this will be cut. So the answer will be 3 upon 5. This is the ratio. They have asked what is the ratio of the cricket players to the total number of players. Okay. Now, and in the second question what they have asked, what is the ratio of the cricket players to the Kho-Kho players. So cricket players you know it is 30 and Kho-Kho players you know it is 20. So this will get cut. So it is 3 upon 2. Or you can write 3 is to 5 and 3 is to 2. They have asked ratio. So you can write in this manner. Okay. Now we'll move to the sum number 4. If 14 chairs cost rupees 5,992, how much will have to be paid for 12 chairs? Okay. So first of all, they have given 14 chairs cost rupees 5,992. So when 14 chairs cost rupees 5,992, so we have to find out the cost of one chair. Therefore, cost of one chair is equal to 5,992 divided by 40. So we will divide in a rough column. I'll show you how to divide. Okay. 5,992 divided by 14. You know 14 fours are. 14 fours is how much? You know 56. Now 9 minus 6 is how much? 3. 59 minus 56 is 3. Now bring down this 9. 14 twos is 28. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down this 2. 14 eights is 112. Okay. So we got cost of one chair is rupees 428. Okay. We got the price of one chair. Now we have to find out the cost of 12 chairs. Therefore, 12 chairs cost 428 multiplied by 12. Okay. Four 28 multiplied by 12. 2 8s is how much? 16. 2 to the 4 and 1 5. 2 4s is 8. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 1 4s is 4. 6. 8 and 5 is 13. 8 9 10 11. So it's rupees 5,136 rupees. Okay. The cost of 12 chairs, you can write cost of 12 chairs is 5,136 rupees. Okay. Percentage sums. If 50% means 50 parts of the total 100, it means it is true. 50% means 50 parts of total 100. It's true. Okay. Now, convert the given fraction in the percentage form. To convert in the percentage form, first of all, denominator, what you have to do? 2/5. What we will take over here? So we should get 100. Okay. So we'll multiply by 20. Okay. Here we are multiplying by 20. So in the numerator also we have to multiply by 20. Now 5 20s is 100 and 2 20s is 40. So 40/100. Understood? Now it's 40%. Okay, you can write in this manner. Now 3/4. Same manner. 3/4. What will take over here? We'll take 25. Here also we should take 25. When in the denominator you are taking 25, up also numerator you have to take 25. 4 25 is how much? 100 and 3 25 is 75. That means it's 75%. Understood? Easy? Now, sum number 3. Seema scored 740 marks out of 900 in her exams. Okay. What was the percentage she scored? What you will do in this sum? So, let the percentage be X. X%. X. Okay. Now, X upon 100 is equal to 740 upon 900. Understood? Now, X is equal to 740 upon 900 multiply by this 100. Understood this much? Now, these two zeros will get cut with this 2 0. Now, what is remaining? 740 divided by 9. So, you can divide over here. 740 divided by 9. 9. How much is it? 9 8s is how much? 72. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0. Bring down this 0. Okay. Now, 9 2s is how much? 80. Again 20 minus 18. Here it is 20 minus 18 is 2. Okay. Put point over here. Put 0 over here. Now 9 2s are 18. Again 2 is remaining. Put 0. Then 9 2s are again 18. It will go on. Okay. So what you should do? You should only take 82%. 82.22. You can write in this manner. Okay. They have asked convert. Sorry. What was the percentage she scored? So the percentage she scored is 82.22%. Okay. Write in this manner. Okay. So now for some, Sunanda Bai bought milk for rupees 475. She converted it into yogurt and sold it for rupees 700. How much profit did she make? Okay, it's very easy. See, cost price is how much? 475. And sold, selling price is how much? 700 rupees. From this you can make out. Cost price is 475 and selling price is 700. That means she made a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. If the selling price is more and the cost price is less, it's a profit. Okay? 700 minus 475. You can do in a rough column. 700 minus 475. Okay? 1. Here it will come 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 6 minus 4 is 2. That means 225 rupees profit. Okay? Sunanda Bai made a profit of 225 rupees. Understood? Now, sum number 2. Ibrahim bought goods worth rupees 50,000 and spent rupees 7,000 on transport and octroi. Okay? If he sold the goods for rupees 65,000, did he make a profit or a loss? How much? Okay. Now, first of all, we have to find out the cost price. Okay. He bought goods worth rupees 50,000. Okay. And he has spent some amount, that is 7,000, on transport and octroi. So we should add that also. So cost price now it is 57,000 rupees. Now, if he sold the goods for rupees 65,000, did he make a profit or a loss? So selling price is 65,000. Cost price is 57,000 and selling price is 65,000. So it's a profit. Okay, when the selling price is more and the cost price is less, so it's a profit. You can write this way. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, you can do in the rough column and just straight away write the answer. 65,000 minus 57,000. 0, 0, 0 from 5. 15 minus 7 is how much? 9. Sorry, 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, it's 8,000. So the profit is 8,000 rupees. Understood? Okay, so sum number 3. Ramrao bought a cupboard for rupees 4,500 and sold it for rupees 4,950. Okay. Shamrao bought a sewing machine for rupees 3,500 and sold it for rupees 3,920. Whose transaction was more profitable? See now. Here Ramrao bought a cupboard for rupees 4,500. Okay. And cost price 4,500. And selling price is 4,950. Okay. And same way here also. Shamrao bought sewing machine for cost price is 3,500 and selling price is 3,920. Both these transactions are profitable. Here cost price is 4,500 and he sold for 4,950. Here also Ram Rao is making a profit, and here Sham Rao brought for 3,500. He sold it for 3,920. So even Sham Rao is making a profit. Okay. So we'll find out how much profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 4,950 minus 4,500. That is how much? 450 rupees. Okay. 450 rupees is the profit made by Ram Rao. So we have to find out the percent. How much percent? So percent, how we'll find out? Now what you have to do is x upon 100 is equal to 450 upon, what is the cost price? 4,500. Okay. Now x is equal to 450 upon 4,500 multiplied by 100. Got it? These two zeros will get cut with this 2 0. Here it is 45 and 45 ones are 45. 45 ones are 45 and this 0. So x is equal to 10%. Okay. Now here profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So 3,920 minus 3,500. So it is how much? 420 rupees. 420. Sham Rao made a profit of 420 rupees. Now we have to find out the percentage. How will we find out the percentage? X upon 100 is equal to 420 upon 3,500. Okay. Now x is equal to 420 upon 3,500 multiplied by 100. These 2 0 will get cut with this 0. Okay. Now here it is 35 and it is 420. So 5 7s are 35. 5 8s is 40. 5 4s is 20. Okay. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. 2s are 14. 12. Okay. Now it's 12%. So he made 10% profit and he made 12% profit. Okay. Now we'll move to the next sum. If the selling price is more than the cost price, there is a profit. That question can come in the fill in the blank. Okay. If it is given in such a manner, if the selling price is more than the cost price, there is a profit. Is this sentence true or false? So you have to write true. Okay. Okay. So sum number 1. At a rate of 10% per annum, what would be the interest for 1 year on rupees 6,000? Okay. So first of all, what we should do? 10% per annum means what? 10% per annum, okay, means on principal of rupees 100 for 1 year. Okay, 1 year interest is rupees 10. Understood? For 1 year interest is rupees 10. Understood? Then Therefore, for 6,000 interest will be how much? Therefore, for 6,000 rupees, interest will be how much? 10 upon 100 multiplied by 6,000. Okay? These two zeros will get cut with this zero. 10 multiplied by 60 is rupees 600. Understood? They have asked what would be the interest for 1 year on rupees 6,000. So, it will be 600 rupees. Okay. Now, sum number 2. Ramesh deposited rupees 8,500 in the bank at a rate of 5% per annum. How much money will he get at the end of the year in all? Okay. So, what you have to do is, first of all, write 5% per annum means on principal of rupees 100 for 1 year, interest is rupees 5. Understood this much? Now, therefore, for 8,500 rupees, interest will be 5 upon 100 multiplied by 8,500. Understood? These two zeros will get cut with these zeros. Now, rupees 25, 5 is a 40, 42. So it is 400 and rupees 425. Okay. They have asked how much money will he get at the end of the year in all. Now, he will get, I'll write over here, 8,500 plus 4. At the end of the year, he will get 8,925 rupees in all. Okay? Okay. Now, observe the figure below and identify the type of triangle. Okay? First, A1. Here it is PQR. Okay? This is a 90-degree angle. So, triangle PQR is right angle triangle. Okay? Now, B. See over here. X, Y, Z. This is a triangle. Here it's 75 degree. Here it is 50 degree. And here it is 65 degree. All the angles are of different measurement. They are not equal. Okay? So, triangle XYZ is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Okay? Now, C1. In this triangle LMN, all the sides are of equal measurement. Okay? All the angles are of same measurement. So, that means this angle, and this angle are of same measurement. So, it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Triangle LMN. LMN is an equilateral triangle. Now, okay. Now, fourth one. Triangle ABC. in this triangle, this side AB and AC are of equal length. Okay. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. Okay. So now we'll solve this sum. The length of the three segments are given for construction. Constructing a triangle. Okay. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn. Give the reason for your answer. Now, 17 centimeters, 7 centimeters and 8 centimeters. In this sum, what you have to do is, you have to take two smaller numbers. For example, 7 centimeters and 8 centimeters. When you add this 7 and 8, it is 15 centimeters. Okay. So 15 centimeter is smaller than 17 centimeter. It should be bigger. If it is bigger or it's greater than the third number, then only we can draw a triangle. Okay. So in this case, we cannot draw a triangle. Understood? See, I'll show you. 7 plus 8, it is 15. Okay. 15 centimeters. And this is 17 centimeters. 17 is greater. So we can't draw over here. Now, second sum. 8.4 centimeters, 16.4 centimeters and 4.9 centimeters. In this case, which are the two smaller numbers? This one and this one. Okay. 8.4 and 4.9. When we add these two numbers, it's 8, 9, 10, 13. It's 13.3. Okay. Now, here it is 16.4 and this is 13.3. Again, the third number is greater than this number. Okay. So here also we cannot draw a triangle. Now, in this case, 7 centimeters, 24 centimeters and 25 centimeters. In this case, 7 centimeter and 24 centimeters. How much it is? centimeters. Okay. 31 centimeter and here it is 25. So when we are adding 7 centimeters and 24 centimeters, we are getting the answer 37 centimeters, which is greater than the third one. That means here we can draw a triangle. Now, understood? The sum of the measures of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. It's true. Triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagons and other close figures with more than 5 sides are called polygons. True. Okay. Now, question number 3. In the table below, write the number of sides the polygon has. Here, the numbers, names are given and here sides are given. Okay. So, quadrilateral has how many sides? 4 sides. Octagon has 8 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides and heptagon has 7 sides. Hepto means 7. Okay. Now, these are some of the questions which are important and most frequently asked in the exam. Okay. So, I have completed this. how did you like my video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.